Yes guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I go by the name Obed, your favorite property developer. So today I'm in Leeds and I'm on my latest project. Today I'm gonna take you through the whole house. I'm gonna show you what's been going on so far. So we've got the doors in, the skirting boards have been put in. With the skirting boards, you're gonna see there's been a little bit of I'll show you anyways. Let's go, I'm talking too much. As you enter the property, you can see now we've got flooring, so you can look at the herringbone flooring. Amazing, you know, perfect choice of color. It complements the radiators too. We've managed to also get our skirting boards in. So let me show you what I mean about the skirting boards. So guys, you know, this is something that I've had to learn the hard way. You see, when you're buying a property and you're getting your plasterers in, make sure that you are checking their works, because that's something that we fail to manage effectively, and we are having to pay for the cost of those defects. So if you look at the skirting boards here, there's like gaps, and my builder's currently using easy fill to just fill in these gaps, which are not really meant to be there, just because of the bad plastering. So this is the main living room, my feature wall over here, my beautiful feature wall. It just complements the whole Egyptian cotton that we've got going on the walls. We've got doors now fitted in perfectly. We're gonna have these painted nice and white, and radiated there too with the chrome. So throughout this property, we've gone for, you know, little black signatures. So you will see black signatures around the property, you know, just seen out there. So cool. So these are the units that we've currently fitted in to keep our washing machine, tumble dryer, and all of that stuff. Our boiler's currently in here, hidden. Builder's done an amazing job putting in these units to hide the boiler. If we move along, see they're putting in the fridge now, just over there. But it's the same old kitchen that I showed you in a previous video. Nothing's pretty much changed here. These walls still need to get painted, so the decorator's coming in next week, and all of this should be cleaned up. So moving on upstairs. So we've literally got our carpet in. Well, we haven't got our carpet in yet, but we paid for it today. So we're going for, it's almost like you'll see it when it arrives. But let's keep going. So we enter my favorite room of the house once again, the bathroom. So as you can see, we've gone for little black signatures everywhere. So this is room, it's not the master room, but it's one of the rooms, it's one of the bigger rooms. Yeah, not much to it. Doors are in, second fix electrics are in, skirting boards are in, still needs a bit more, some snagging just around the corners, but ultimately it's looking good. Sorry. Second room, this is the master bedroom. The same thing. Literally just a bit of snagging here and there, a bit of cleaning up from the decorator next week, and we should be good to go. Radiators in, doors are all in, it's looking spanking brand new. And the final room. So this room, it does need a bit more work than the others, but we are nearly there. So let's go back outside now. So guys, there you have it. A nice short video of my current property project. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy this video, please drop me a like, comment, and please subscribe, guys. It helps me out a lot with the algorithm. And yeah, just love every single time.